Hello, in front of me I've got MOZA R5 simulation set. In this video I'll show you how to connect the steering wheel with base. In the beginning, let's remove these stickers on the base and the steering wheel. Next thing, make sure that this bolt is straightened, and now align these 6 bolts with these holes. Next thing is firmly push it forward. Once it's done, this part should be at the end of the bolt. And that's basically it. If you want to remove the steering wheel from the base, push this forward. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.